Welcome to the Blast from the Past 2013. I hope all of you are staying safe at the Bangalore cantonment, and we will see some awesome arrivals and departures. In this compilation, you will see almost all the kind of locomotives, electric locomotives, WAP1, WAP4, WAP7, and the diesel electric Alcos and the EMDs WDG4 and WDP4. And here what you see is a WAP1 at Bangalore cantonment shutdown, and this is a DMU train set, and Bangalore cantonment is home to the DMU workshop. In this compilation, I will also be sharing with you the status of the locomotives that you see, whether they are in service, out of service, or whether they are changed in any way. The first train that you see is the 12028 Shatabdi Express, departing Bangalore, Kesa Bangalore at 6 o'clock, and departing now from cantonment towards Chennai Central. This is the first early morning Shatabdi between Bangalore and Chennai, MGR Chennai Central. The locomotive is from Lalaguda, and those days in 2013, Rayapuram shed did not have WAP7, so the standard link for this train was a WAP7 from Lalaguda shed. Currently, the regular link is WAP7 from the Rayapuram loco shed. This train covers the distance of 350 kilometers in 7 hours, the fastest train between these two stations. The upcoming train is the Kanyakumari KSR Bengaluru Express, arriving early morning. Comes via Coimbatore, Salem, Jallapeta bypass, Bankarpet, and Bengaluru. That's the early morning Jallapeta Bengaluru service, a WAM4 6P locomotive. But the service is now being operated as an MEMU service, and the timings also have changed subsequently. This particular locomotive is no more in operation. Originally belonged to Arakonam, now scrapped and withdrawn since September 2019. This is the 12677 KSR Bengaluru Ernakulam Superfast via Hosur, Dharmapuri, Salem, Erode, Coimbatore, Thrissur, and Ernakulam. WDG4, those days it was very common to see WDG4 heading the passenger services because of the shortage of the locomotives, but now you don't see such incidences very often. Departing from cantonment, a very nice curve, and just after that curve you will see now on the left is the DMU workshop and also a DMU rake just beside the EMU workshop. That's it. That's a DMU shed or a maintenance workshop, and that's an empty rack of a DMU being serviced there or being taken for service. That's the Tuticorin Mysuru Express. via again Salem, Dharmapuri, Hosur, Bengaluru, and it branches off from Erode via Tiruchirappalli, then Karur, Dindukkal, Madurai, and Tuticorin. WAP1, the locomotive that started the local production revolution in Indian Railways and the trendsetter for the WAP4. It is still in service at Bhusawal, originally belonged to Arakonam at the time of capturing this video. Another WAP1 hauled train.
Passenger train from Marikupam.
Another WAP1 belonging to Arakonam, now in service at Mughal Sarai.
Cantonment Railway Station, 2:50 p.m. Coimbatore.
That's a WDG4 again, this time hitting the Coimbatore Lokmanya Tilak Express via Bengaluru. It also comes via Salem, Dharmapuri, Coimbatore, Erode, Salem, Dharmapuri, Hosur, Bengaluru, Guntakal, Raichur, Wadi, Pune, and then Mumbai LTT. This one is the empty rake of Kachigoda or KSR Bengaluru Kachigoda Express, which departs in the evening, and the rakes are stored elsewhere because of shortage of space at KSR Bengaluru. And the locomotive is a WDP-4B, which will ultimately haul this train. It's being taken to KSR Bengaluru towards its final destination platform. So that brings us to the end of this compilation. Hope you liked it. Share your comments, press the bell symbol for notification, subscribe. And thanks for watching once again. Stay safe during this coronavirus days and see you soon again.